Meaning of houseman.
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 Houseman. The term houseman refers to a junior doctor who works in a hospital setting and is responsible for providing medical care to patients under the supervision of senior doctors. Housemen typically work long hours, including on-call shifts, and are often involved in a wide range of medical procedures, from taking patient histories to performing minor surgeries. The role of a houseman is critical to the smooth functioning of a hospital, as they provide essential support to senior medical staff and play an important role in ensuring that patients receive high-quality care.